guys. Demetrius DeMarcus is the first, second, third, and fourth here. I got the leader 721 out. Full carbon straight bars. The Bontrager stem. And the weapon carbon fork. Got the Conqueror wheel set. You know how it is. With the Conqueror Elite, the RXL crank set with the Raketa 53 tube chain ring. Yeah, that's nice. And I got the Physique seat just to finish it off, just to make it look a little bit better. Yeah.
But anyway. Oh, what's up, guys? I didn't see you there.
Here you go.
You know, here we are again, once again.
I think he stopped. It's just this.
100 times. I don't know
Yeah.
if y'all want to keep seeing me on camera, but we're here. But yeah, guys, please go and like our videos. Just subscribe, like our comment, whatever. Please, no hating stuff. We're here to enjoy riding. Y'all, whatever y'all want us to do, let us know. We love y'all, guys.